Hi, it came today. My Beautylish lucky bag. I got the little tag here, 2025. I got the Jeffree Star bag. It was $75. I don't have a lot of space I'm working with here, so let me just pull the thing out. It's okay. I've opened so many of these things that as long as there's no duplicates. I'm using natural sunlight, so it might go in and out. Okay, I have a palette. Can you see what it is? I can see what it is. Okay. It's not a duplicate. I've never gotten the Scorpio palette. Wow. Let's open up the box. Scorpio. I was kind of hoping for another Bloodlust. I need one of those. But this is nice. Jeffree's all laid out there with the scorpions. Okay. Lots of colors to choose from. There's the back. It's beautiful scenery. Okay, let's put this out of the way. So, lots of bubble wrap. I don't see any velvet trap or velour liquid lippies, and that's what I like those, but I do like the gloss. This is Wet Peach. Love me some peach. That is gorgeous. That is going to be wonderful. Love the color. I like wine colors, pinks. This is a fuchsia that I have on. It's from the old school Revlon. Fuchsia Fusion. One of my favorite colors. I think I'm putting this back upside down. I got it stuck. Okay, I don't want to be... Use this nice packaging, but sometimes it's difficult for an old gal like me. Okay, so the gloss. Magic Star. Oh, I just broke my thumbnail. Okay, that's okay. I'll file it later. Magic Star setting powder in the color Translucent. So, looks like powder. Then I got Magic Candy. Looks like a liquid blush in the color Money Shot. That is going to be dark. Come on, baby. Ooh, yeah, that's... Oh, can I open it? That is really dark. Okay, it would work. Just have to blend it in really nice. There it is on my fingers. There it is. I hope you didn't hear my stomach growl. Sorry. I'm on Weight Watchers. I already ate though. I'm not really hungry. Okay. What is this? Might need to put on my specs. Magic Star Glow Face mist. It looks like it's from the Milk skincare, Jeffree Star skincare. I have the Milk lotion. I really like it. I don't have the mist. I think I had the Magic Mushroom Mist last time. Ooh, the lid came off. Okay. That's nice. Okay. Okay. I love getting some skincare. I mean, I'm 65. What can I do? I'm going to have what I'm going to have. But I like anything that adds moisture. I really love. Okay, this is a Milky Liquid Lip Balm. It's in the color Dominatrix. Ooh, okay. I haven't had, oh, I dropped the box. I've never had a Milky Lip Balm. I've just had the regular balms. Dominatrix. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's going to work. I wear a lot of burgundy and wine-colored stuff and rust-colored stuff, so you would think that it wouldn't go with my face, but it actually does. I like purples. I like purples and browns and pinks. Not pink eyeshadow. I was going to show you something. I'm so sorry. I flung my mouse off my desk here. So I got a little bit shaken up. I wanted to show you one of the products I got in my last mystery Jeffree Star thing, mystery treat or whatever it was. Mystery bag, I don't remember what it was. It was not, I didn't get the winter one because I saw a lot of the videos that people got, and it was a lot of things that I already got in my mystery bag from like the Halloween time. So I didn't want to spend the money just to get the same thing. And it was like all brown colors. But this is one thing that I got that last time, I think in October. And it was the liquid eyeshadow. And it's unicorn blood. I really like it. I thought, this is the kind of color I'd wear on my lips. I'd love a lip gloss this color. But I'm going to show you. I put it on my eyes, and I had a hard time getting it off because it really goes on. A little bit goes a long way. So that's just a swatch, but if you blend it in, see how nice it is? It looked really good on my eyes, but very. If I put some of this. Oh, shoot. That was a bad move. Okay. Yeah, that gets it off. I just dropped half of my... I got this skincare from Aldi. This H2O hydrating stuff. Love it. It took most of it off. So... really nice stuff. Anyway, did you get a lucky bag? Did you like what you got? Share it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.